Now open your GitLab. You should first clone your Computer Programming 2022 repository into your lecture 5 folder, for example. Then you should put all these codes into your Computer Programming 2022 folder, and then push or upload all these files to here. Now in your Computer Programming 2022 repository, you should have lecture 4, midterm exam and readme MD files, and you will also put this lecture 5 folder here. Okay. For that purpose, you can just go to your home directory first. Then you can clone this repository into your home directory. Like, first copy this one of these links. If you use this SSH link, you can also use ID RSA files to upload and download files from your computer without using your password all the time. But because most of you use laboratory computers, you can use this HTTPS link. I copied it and I pasted it to here by right click and paste. Okay, then I just type git clone to here. I copied the wrong link. I copy this one, copy this, copy it, then I paste here. Okay, gitlab.com. Your username should have your student ID underscore, your name underscore, your surname, then slash computer programming with double M, computer programming 2022, without any spaces, without underscores. But here you should have username underscore name underscore surname. Okay, when you write this and press enter, you need to write your username and you need to write your password. Okay, I wrote my password wrong. I'm not sure what my password is. Okay, now here I have Computer Programming 2022 and I have Lecture 5 folder. I will move this Lecture 5 folder to in this repository. Move Lecture 5 to Computer Programming 2022. Then go to this CD Computer Programming 2022. You will see that your midterm exam Lecture 4 is here. This one is here. README is here. Lecture 5 is here. You can just use git add. When you press tab, you will see that you added this one, or you can just put a dot here to add all these files. Git add dot, git commit -m, and write a message to here, add lecture 5, for example. You will see that we added this lecture 5 folder with all these Python codes. Then just run git push origin main and press enter. Again, your password here. Then you will see that you added your lecture 5 folder here when you refresh. Okay, your lecture 5 folder is here and all the codes are here, like 10th code includes some information about like concatenate, stack, 2D arrays, whatever. Okay, the last form of your code. Now, on the laboratory computer, there is a Computer Programming 2022 folder. in your home directory, but someone else can use this computer later. So you can just remove this folder from here. Remove computer programming 2022. Now I don't have that folder. Whenever you want, you can again copy this SSH, copy this link, and then use git clone to download these folders to here. Now again I have computer programming, again I have my lecture 5, and all the codes I've written today are just here. Okay, now cat tent code, you can see that concatenate and stack vertical, stack horizontal, stack are here. You can just download anywhere, everywhere, anywhere you work this computer program 2022 here. In the exam, when you open the computer, you will not see this computer programming 2002 folder here. You will see your home directory without this, but all the files and folders like this. You will see your home directory like this. When you start to your exam, we will ask you to clone your repository into your home directory first. So you will run git clone https gitlab.com, I think. Let me check the link. Yeah, gitlab.com. Then your student ID underscore your name underscore your surname / computer programming 2022.git. When you press enter, you will not get an error. You shouldn't get an error like this. Saying the project you were looking couldn't be found. If you see this error, when you write your your student ID, your name and your surname and computer programming 2022 git, you may not have your repository from GitLab to the computer you are doing your exam. All right. So this is the reason why we always say be careful about creating your username, your link, your project name with double M. We say this lots of times until now because of this reason. All right. So when you write this, when you make your repository like this, you should be able to write your link like this one from your memory. All right, and you should add me to this repository as owner, as a member, so as let me to reach the files and folders in your repository like this. So in the exam, you will download your repository with git clone and writing your correct link as this one here, writing your username and password information, having this computer programming folder here. You will go this folder, you will see that you have a midterm exam file. You will go to that midterm exam folder, and then we will give you some questions like creating directories in this midterm exam folder, and like having some Python scripts doing some jobs in those directories. And then after doing all these, like create a directory and go to that directory, like have a Python code printing like hello, and then you will go to your computer programming directory again in the exam. Then you will add your midterm exam folder. Then you will commit as add midterm exam results. Then you will push your results into your directory. Later we will go to your repository by using this link, https gitlab.com, your student ID underscore your name underscore your surname / computer programming with M 2022. We will just write this link, then go to your directory to see your files. Then we will go to the midterm exam folder. We will check if you have these kind of directories. We will check if you have these kind of codes. We will check if your codes are working correctly. All right.